How to use TikTok templates. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to use the templates on the TikTok application. So first things first, you need to go to the application and open and click on the plus button that is on the bottom of the screen. And then here you'll be able to see at the very bottom part there where it says camera, you can swipe it to your left and you'll be able to see stories and templates. So that's where you'll be able to find templates. And then here are a lot of template options that you can choose from. The topmost part of it, there's a title on the template, and then it also indicates for how many photos you'll be using for this type of template. So once you have decided on what template you'll choose, you can click on upload photos, and then it will be downloading for you to make use of the template. It may take a few seconds, and then from here you'll be choosing the images that you will use. Once you have all 4 images, you can click on OK. And then here you'll be able to preview on how the images will appear on the template that we chose. So aside from having the template, you can definitely still add text on it, stickers, and even additional effects. You can also add filters and voiceover, anything that you may like. You may add on the template. Once you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and click on next, and then you can go ahead and either save it on drafts or post the video. Once it's on, you just need to wait until it will be fully loaded and uploaded onto your account. And for you to be able to see the video, you can just click on your profile and then just refresh and wait for it to be fully uploaded. And there you have it. The video has now been posted into your account. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!